Linking your bank to WeVPN can enhance your online security and streamline your transactions. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a WeVPN account. Visit the WeVPN website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Step 2. Log into your WeVPN account. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your settings and preferences. Step 3. Access payment settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose bank linking option. Select the option to link a new bank account. You may need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to WeVPN. Enjoy enhanced security and convenience for your online activities.